Welcome back. This is Cnix. Today, I'd like to talk about the scalability of Cnix's data service platform. We are excited to announce that data service platform now supports OPCUA. As you know, manufacturing equipment can be classified into two categories: those that support OPCUA and those that do not. With this new capability, Cnix data service platform is now able to connect with the vast majority of manufacturing equipments, regardless of their OPCUA support. But that's not all. What's even more impressive is that not only external systems like HMIs, but also IT services such as MES and ERP can now receive integrated data from Cnix data service platform via OPCUA. With this, the scalability of Cnix's data service platform has become truly limitless. When you visit some manufacturing site, you will often find the system architectures like the one you see here, built around OPCUA. In these cases, if you try to expand your facility by bringing in equipment that doesn't support OPCUA, you may run into integration challenges. In other words, your choice for manufacturing equipment can be limited. There are several ways to solve this problem. The simplest approach is to develop an OPCUA interface for the non-OPCUA equipment, but that of course comes with additional cost and time. However, wouldn't it be ideal if the platform you are using not only supported OPCUA, but also seamlessly connected to equipment that doesn't support OPCUA? From the user's perspective, this would offer the best of flexibility and convenience. This is the problem that Cnix Data Service Platform solved. Cnix Data Service Platform has finally embraced OPCUA. The OPCUA gateway is now available as a module within Data Service Platform. With this, we can now connect the field equipment that supports OPCUA directly through OPCUA. And we can also deliver data to smart IT systems that support OPCUA through the same interface. In particular, by supporting OPCUA industrial standard interface as a smart IT resource, we have broken through the previous limitation of system integration. This marks a significant turning point. From now on, it's no longer just the Internet of Things. It's the Internet of all. Now, let's move on to the demo video. The screen you are now looking at is the demo screen of Cnix's data service platform. In today's demonstrations, we will be operating two pieces of equipment that do not support OPCUA, specifically the chiller equipment and the stream equipment, as well as equipment that does support OPCUA. First, if you look at the chiller equipment, you can see the tags like the one shown here are being collected. If we take a closer look at a single tag, you can see how it's being updated in real time. The stream equipment, as you can see here, is also collecting and updating equipment data in the same way. When we go into the detailed analysis screen for the chiller equipment data, we can select specific data points and view the data currently being stored. On the analysis screen, we have access to a broad range of analytical functions. You can add additional data sets for comparison, and by selecting the time range and clicking the calculation button, you will be able to view results such as maximum, minimum, average, accumulated, and integrated values in the upper right corner of the screen. Now, if we move on to the OPCUA-enabled equipment, you can see that its data is also being seamlessly integrated into the data service platform, just like the chiller and stream equipment, which do not have an OPCUA interface. This level of functionality applies not only to non-OPCUA equipment, but also to OPCUA equipment. Both types of equipment are fully integrated into the data service platform and give the same level of service. On the detailed screens, you can analyze data patterns, and on the analysis screen, you can perform comparative analysis and statistical operations, just like you can with the non-OPCUA equipment. Finally, all of this integrated data from both non-OPCUA and OPCUA equipment can be made available to external systems and smart IT systems through the OPCUA interface. Thank you for watching this video.